Hi everybody, so I am actually staying at Park Mgm. They just reopened yesterday, September 30th, and I actually checked in yesterday and I wanted to show you the room. I'm actually staying at the most economical room at the moment, and let me flip the camera open and show it to you guys. This is the standard 2 double bed. Okay, so this room is about 400 square feet. Let me show you from the very beginning. And so here we're walking in and we have, this is the room. So we start out over here with this little place to hang clothes. It's not huge, but I'm only here for 3 nights anyway. And this is more than enough. We have a little safe over here that, moving this somewhat with clothes, that's very easy to use. And we have an ice bucket, an iron. I don't iron clothes at home. I am definitely not going to be ironing clothes while on vacation. And we come to the room. So like I said, this is a standard room. 2 double beds. There is a standard with a king. That one is usually around $10 to $15 cheaper per night, but since I am traveling with someone, we wanted 2 beds. This one was the better option. So I booked this room with my M Life. If you do not know what M Life is, it's the membership through MGM Resorts, and they give you better rates depending on your play. So I actually ended up getting 1 comped night, which isn't a lot because last year I got more than 1 comped night, but that's a story for another day. But so I ended up paying with that 1 comp night, they averaged it out to be $25 per night, and then plus the resort fees. All in all, I was in it for $212 for 3 nights. So we have 2 beds, and we have this beautiful full-length mirror with lots of lights. This is great to get ready. Last year I stayed here a lot because they have their Park MGM is connected to Park Theater, and I went to see Lady Gaga a lot last year. So I stayed here probably around like 5 times last year. So this is a great mirror to get ready. When someone's in the bathroom and they're using the bathroom, and we'll get to the bathroom pretty soon, this is a great place to, get ready, do your makeup, everything you want. This mirror is great. Has great lighting. Have a huge TV screen. And we have lots of outlets and USB ports. So if you forget your iPhone charger, as long as you have a cord, you're good to go. A nice little sitting area that has already snacks. And when we came in last night, we checked in late last night, there was this letter saying everything that Park is doing to keep us safe during this weird time in the world. And we had a little safety kit that they had left for us, and it was like this little plastic bag. They had these things which I guess are for you not to have to touch, like elevators and buttons and all that other stuff that we touch. Hand sanitizer and 2 cloth masks that says Park, which I thought was a very nice touch because I've stayed in other hotels since this pandemic started, and most of them don't give you anything except hand sanitizer in the lobby. So the fact that, we got a nice little kit was actually very thoughtful. And they have this incredible seating area. I love this seating area. Like, it's just so nice. It's a little dark now, guys. Let me see. And the view is actually fantastic. Like, I see the pool that's the Nomad pool. And in normal times, they have a pool party there, like it says. And then we have the Park MGM pool, those 2 pools over there, and you can see, let me see, it's a little dark. Hope you guys can see. We can see the Arias over there. We got the tram. I actually don't know if the tram is currently working because yes, last night when we checked in, we went to Aria, and they had a sign that the tram was temporarily not in service. So we haven't tried to take it. We're going to actually try to take it to the Bellagio later on, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, this is such a beautiful view. This is actually like the nicest view I've ever gotten at this hotel. And I always stay in this category room because I would rather spend my money on gambling and buying stuff and going to shows and eating than, in a room. But that's just me. I feel like I saw the shops at Crystal, but I love this view, and this little seating area is just so comfy. And okay, so the pool, I'm sorry, the beds, super comfortable. Yeah, I love it. Super comfortable. The beds are really comfortable. Something that I really, really, really love from Park is the housekeeping. Housekeeping here does an incredible job, and I've stayed at Aria before, and I've stayed at Bellagio a few times, and I always feel like the housekeeping at Park is a little superior than at those other hotels. And again, this can just be like personal experience, but I've always felt like they really do such a fantastic job in staying and like cleaning and everything. And this really is one of my favorite places in Vegas, like in hotel wise. I think it's because, again, I just have such great memories of going to Park Theater, and I just can't wait until that's back up and running, and staying at Park Theater and staying at Park Mgm and going to Park Theater. And it's just so convenient, it's fun, and it's such a good vibe when you're here for a show. And I'm just very happy to be back. People are just so happy to be back at work. And I just really wanted to support Park. And that's why I chose Park to come for this little mini vacation. And let me show you the walls, because they have this incredible artwork. In every room, it's different artwork, which I think is very fun and very hip, and it makes every room a little bit unique. Here you have like 2 little lampshades, and like, USB ports, place to charge your phone. Have some storage. Yes, they do not have a whole lot of place to hang clothes, but overall, I think this is a great value for your money, especially if you're coming to Vegas for a show, to T-Mobile Arena, which is also very close. You're very close to New York, New York. You're very close to the tram. Yeah, let me show you guys. Yeah, here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is the room. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here's the bathroom. And with the Park bathrooms, there's actually 2 options. You can either have a tub, or you can have a stand, like a stand shower. I like the stand shower better because I feel like their tub here is a little bit smaller. But again, what I love about this hotel, it's pretty new. This used to be the old Monte Carlo. Again, more art. And so everything is new, and they keep, like, housekeeping again is fabulous. So this is a big shower, great water pressure, good amenities. And the tub that they have at Park is actually pretty small. I got it last year, and when I came for New Year's and I saw it, I thought it was just so tiny that I actually asked them if they could swipe me back up, like switch me back to a stand-in shower, and they did that. Customer service is great here. If you really want like a tub, you could probably stay at the Nomad, which is inside Park. It's a boutique hotel inside Park, and they actually have a tub in like the middle of the bedroom. It's pretty cool. I've never stayed there, but it's in my plans. Once Gaga's back in town, that's where I plan on staying, at the Nomad. But yeah, I just wanted to show you around. So this is the most economical room. And of course I got it with an M Life rate, but if you don't have an M Life rate, it can vary from like $45 to like $70 a night, plus the $39 resort fee. So that can get a little bit pricey. So it's always super important, even if this is your first trip to Vegas and you actually don't gamble at all, you've never been, sign up for the M Life card, because it's free and you can sign up from home, and they can already start sending you rates. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little room tour, and I will keep you posted. I'm probably going to do a walkthrough of the hotel. Lots of things are still closed at the moment, but I'm still going to do it anyway, and I'm going to show you guys around. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day, guys. Bye.